give another message for our retailer partners and distributors.
Of course po, nag-ready po ako dyan. Ito na. Talagang,
Oh, meron talaga nakasulat, no?
para kay ano yan, be-safe me. Joke lang. Ayun po, maraming salamat po, of course, to my Asa Abloy family and to Yale. Kumbaga, it has been an amazing night po. Maraming salamat to all the partners and retailers po that are here. Maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you for choosing me as one of your brand endorsers and the face for Yale. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo dito sa formal event natin. To Miss Daisy, to Miss Chris, and to the whole Yale family. Thank you so much. It has been an honor for me to be part of this family, and I'm looking forward po for more years of good partnership with Yale. So, syempre, with that po, and I'd like to thank Yale for giving me the products po for my home. And okay po, and maraming salamat po to everyone who's here, and I hope you enjoyed the night. Once again, good evening, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Alden. Maraming salamat po. All our guests here will take home loot bags from Yale. Special loot bags. Don't forget, just pass by the registration booth for your loot bags. Salamat.
Thank you po.
See ya. Thank you.